A doctor at the center of one of our national investigative team's reports is now accused of illegally distributing opioids.
Here's Investigate TV's Lee Zurich with License to Pill.
Our investigation found from 2013 to 15, Dr. Mark Murphy wrote more prescriptions for opioids in the Medicare program than any other doctor in the country.
Is he coming in today?
When we visited his small-town Tennessee office nearly 3 years ago,
cut that off now.
An employee chased us across the street and refused to answer any questions.
If he's not here, who's writing his prescriptions?
The local police chief wanted the doctor out of his town.
Do you think it's a pill mill?
I believe it is.
You do?
I do.
Now a federal grand jury has indicted Murphy, his wife, son, and 3 others in a $41 million healthcare fraud, drug distribution, and kickback conspiracy. The indictment says Murphy unlawfully distributed and dispensed controlled substances and used those controlled substances to grow and maintain a large patient population in order to profit from medically unnecessary services. Our investigation found in 2015 alone, Murphy gave his elderly and disabled patients enough opioids that, if taken as prescribed, would cover 497 days of that calendar year. Again, that only had 365 days.
One has to question whether or not they are really drug dealers in white coats.
In February of 2018, the feds raided Murphy's Lewisburg, Tennessee office. 3 years later, he's been indicted. If he's found guilty of these federal charges, Murphy and the others accused would have to forfeit at least $16 million. Money the U.S. government says Murphy and the others obtained, controlled, and benefited from as a result of the offenses alleged. Lee Zurich, Valley News Live.
Now, Dr. Mark Murphy could not be reached for comment. He's set for a court date in 2 weeks.
Another person accused in this case has pleaded guilty to receiving kickbacks.
Still ahead.